market is about to close. We did 2 trades. We did this long here, and the short was a winner. The Nasdaq is approaching
short signal and Q.
Second ATR. We're gonna make a short trade here. Okay, let's see if we get filled. Give it some room. Nasdaq is trying to push lower, but still fighting a little bit. See lots of selling, guys. Give it some room here.
Sweet.
Lots of selling in the Nasdaq. Here goes the ES. Sellers in the tape. See the 1-2, which is the fast sellers. Buyers trying to pick it up, but still sellers in control. Need to see big sellers, 100. Nasdaq needs to move. More sellers in the tape. Still very little sellers. Need to see big sellers, guys. 300, 500 contracts. Still, we can lose up to 1,000 in this trade. We made 400 here, 400 here. Still, buyers not seen there yet. If buyers were present there, this price would have been already reversed. Okay, it's a quick trade, guys. Let's see sellers in the tape. Sellers in the tape. We see 10 prints. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's in the same second, okay? Profit reached. Okay, guys, you see the sellers were very, very pushy. You see 6 prints in the same second in the Nasdaq. Okay, that's quick trading, okay, guys? That's those sellers piling up. Okay, Nasdaq can reverse here or can break the ATR, but it's almost 10 minutes to the close, so that will be it for me today, guys. I just for example, you see the market today. I wasn't in my desk all morning, so I just came to the close, which I prefer to see the close and then trading in the morning or whatever. I just like the afternoon trading, guys, because if buyers aren't, they need to exit the trades, exit their positions, because market is going to close. Okay, as you can see here, remember I tell you guys the ATRs. Sorry. Okay, let's see. I always tell you about the ATRs, guys. It's always the same thing. Always the same thing. See the ATRs, price barely pulled back. You can go long here. Barely pulled back. You wait for the box to break and you can go long. Barely pull back and continue long. Just one trade would have been more than enough for you today, guys. You see the Nasdaq just hitting the ATR, made a box here, congestion, so market is not pushing higher, so it breaks down. So let's see, that's how it is, guys. Let's see. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Remember, I always told you about the, no matter if that is this forms or you enter the trade, for example, let's say this formed, okay, this triangle formed here, as you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you've seen these, guys. You know if the market is pushing higher, you know that this is algorithmic pushing higher. So market is very to the upside today. So there's nothing to think about it, guys. Market is very strongly bullish. So well, I just shorted at the end, but for the morning was only to buy, only longs, guys. Market barely pulled out. So as I told you, market reached the ATR and it reversed. So that's it for today. Okay, guys, if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. You can contact me via Skype or by email. Okay, links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, guys.